I am the starfish. I cling to rock and tide with equal grace. I point in 5 directions. Renewal and resilience are my strengths. My symmetry reminds you that balance is beauty. The sea carries me, but I choose my anchor. Many starfish can regrow lost arms, and some can even regenerate an entirely new starfish from a single arm. Starfish have been around for over 450 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. I am the keeper of flexibility. Learn what I have to teach. Nature's endless show ebbs and flows before your very eyes. Advice from a starfish. Be flexible. Share your amazing beauty. Put yourself out there. Stay in touch with your neighbors. Hang tight through the changing tides. When things get rocky, find your sweet spot. You'll always be a star.